For this next project, I will show you how to turn a mouthwash bottle into a very nice vase in 2 different styles. Let's paint. If you like our project, please like and subscribe. It'll help us grow. Thank you. I'm currently living on a sailboat at the moment, and setting up my studio for all these DIY projects is actually kind of challenging because we don't have a lot of space and I need to collect a lot of stuff. And so I'm just setting up shop in the saloon and it's a huge mess everywhere.